He accepted the delivery and he gave me a 5-star review with this feedback that Mustafa is a very professional and the delivery is on time. Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today we will discuss another project that I have completed on Fiverr. A client from US came to me with this message that can you do front end? Then I said yes, I will help you to build your front end. After that, he gave me all his detail. He wants me to develop his custom chatbot with the help of Streamlit, and he wants me to deploy it on Google Cloud. After getting all his requirements, I have started the development process. Then I have completed this project with 5-star reviews. At the end, he was very happy with me. So I see that this client is from US. He messaged me that do you build front end? Yes. Then I said yes, I work on front end. Then I ask about the different. Then I ask about the project details and what type of front end you want to build. Deploy it on your Google Cloud. During the development process, we have also different types of error like dependency errors. In the first, we are using the large dependencies. That's why we are unable to deploy it on free services. After that, I have to change all the heavy dependencies to lighter weight dependencies. In this way, we have to optimize our this chatbot. Then we can easily access as the size of our chatbot has decreases and we can easily deploy it on any services. He accepted the delivery and he gave me a 5-star review with this feedback that Mustafa is a very professional and the delivery is on time.